Hi guys, today I'll be working on this BMW. I just want to move the gearbox from this BMW. I just want to see what's wrong with the timing chain. So I'll show you step-by-step guide how to go about it, and follow me as I go. So this is the BMW gearbox. So what you have to do, because I've already moved the X wire from this 13 bolts, move the bracket. There's a air bracket here. Move the wire surrounding it, move all the surrounding bolts. You can see I've removed some of them. Lose the propeller, destroy ones, but you have to mark it. I'll mark it here. Move the heat shield, and I'll show you step by step how you can drop your gearbox from your BMW series. I'll show you. So I just want to lose the propeller, but first I have to move the heat shield first from the BMW. Then you have to mark, like I say, I mark my propeller, and you need to put your propeller in neutral so it'll be easy for you to turn it around. So to lose the heat shield, you need this 10 socket to lose it. Yeah. 10 socket. So the shield is out. So that's slack. 1, 2, 3. So next I need to lose this gearbox mount, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 to drop the gearbox. But next I need to put a jack on barrels. So the engine mount is out. Engine mount out. Next I need to move the propeller. After this, I'm putting my jack, still locking the engine gearbox. Next is just to remove engine mount. Lever, just buy it here. Then take it off. You can see. Take it out, then just reel it. Just roll out for both sides in here. You can see, you can detach it. Try to detach it, and you can do that for this side too. Next, you have to do this one. So the propeller is detached, again lever, attached, so this one, the propeller is tied up, the gearbox is a little bit downwards, the sensor on the beat is out, and next we should remove the surrounding bolts and remove the gearbox, pretty much. So all the gearbox bolts are loose, all completely loose. With the one up, you can see. You can see they're all loose. Same with the down, all completely loose. So the one up. So next is just to drop my gearbox down slowly, gently, to have access to the flywheel and the timing chain.
And I think there's a very nice boat up there. You can see how to move it. You have to move that boat. Altogether 6 boats.
Altogether 6 bolts. You just leave this one here, so you move it later on. Altogether 6 bolts. So gearbox is successfully out. Next, you need to move clutch and flywheel. And I'll show you my gearbox. This is my gearbox. You can see the sensor on top. You have to be careful about it to remove it. Be very careful. You can see the bearings and fork. You can see this bearing is not really good. Yeah, I think this needs to be replaced. And This is the end back of my propeller, which I marked. Yeah. So next, the clutch is out. Next is to take off the flywheel, and I'll show you my clutch. This is my clutch. It's almost complete finish. Well, I'll call customer, let her know that if she want to change her clutch, because like it's almost completely finished. But if not, then best you just to put a new one in. So next I have to take off my flywheel with my socket. This is my socket for this T60, and I'll just take all the bolt out from it. So the flywheel is out. Flywheel out. So next is the crank sensor. Just gently move the crank sensor from here. You can see it. You can wiggle it out. Then it will come off. The next you just have to remove the casing for the timing chain. So it's off. Crank sensor. So next I just need to move the casing to move everything. Yeah. So that is how to move your clutch and flywheel for your BMW. And just like and follow for more to learn more how to move. Do watch your clutch and flywheel with the BMW M series. Thank you. So the timing casing is out. This is the timing chain for BMW. So I'm about to do replacement of timing chain. So next I have to move the sump to see what's up in there. So the timing bed is out. So the timing chain, then the sump is out. Yeah. So best is just to like, follow for more, subscribe and follow for more on my channel, and I'll see you soon on more how to repair on your cars. Freeland. Thank you. Bye.